Let's just hope it doesn't burn down the armory like last time.
Sounds like yet another clear violation of the Warlocks Convention of 1709. Then again.
I enjoy the remainder of your stay with us. Oh, and should you consult that friend? Make a choice between what is right and what is easy. The choice we make is easy. When you go, follow your heart.
Sparkling, which is brilliant.
My eyes never stop talking about Potter's British skills. I'd really rather see for myself. Come here, don't you, Danny?
These benches are not safe for you if you are still too small.
On three. 1, 2, 3. Hang on tight! Ron and Harry will meet you outside!
Hermione did it! They're flying! Keep up, Ron! We're on our way! We'll meet you outside! Sorry about that! Anyone yet? Not this week, anyway.
Hey, you lot! You haven't seen a dragon, have you?
Right, we're never over to the Quidditch pitch. Look out!
return to Hogwarts anytime. Now, tuck your elbows in. Oh, and don't forget to retrieve your stowed belongings, lest you want them confiscated by Mr. Filch.